Hello, Pike Road. I'm Gordon Stone, and what a blessing it is to come to you on this Easter week, wishing all of you the most blessed holiday that you can possibly have, and thank you for your sacrifice as we honor the greatest sacrifice of all. Y'all don't forget, our Lions Club is working hard to sell the booths so they can have a great Lions Club yard sale on April 13th. Go by Town Hall on Monday through Thursday from 10 to 1, or Fridays from 8 to 12, and you can sign up and take care of getting your booth so that you can be a part of this wonderful annual event hosted by the Lions Club. And the great news about this is you get rid of things you don't want, you find unique things you might love to have, and you're helping the Lions Club with their projects that benefit Pike Road. So think about being a part of this. Sign up is open now at Town Hall. Also, don't forget on April 13th, another fun local civic organization event, and that's the Kiwanis Club, who's having their 5K run, their fun run, and it is a little bit after the yard sale starts, so you can squeeze them both in. You can go by the yard sale starting at 7, then go over to the fun run at 8. It is at the Water Zone that day, and you can go to the Pike Road Kiwanis website or call Town Hall, and we'll direct you to where you can get information about how to register for their event. Also, don't forget that on March 24th all the way through April 21st, the Just Desserts Art Show. Now, if you're like me, you think of desserts, you're thinking about something that comes after the meal that you can't wait to have. But this is really about those things that you deserved it, you earned it, you had the opportunity to achieve something, and you want to capture that moment, capture that significant time in your life. Just Desserts Art Show. It's a way that we can let people capture those and then showcase them, and then you might even actually find something you want to purchase to showcase in your home. So go by. It's March 24th all the way through April 21st, and that is available on the Saturdays and Sundays when the Art House is open there on Wallahatchie Road. Also, March 30th through April 6th, and April 6th, we have another class that the Art Council is offering. Charles Payne is giving an oil painting class, so make sure you think about signing up for that if you want to refine your skills as an oil painter, or you just want to take on oil painting. What a great hobby to have. And that's March 30th and April 6th, again at the Art House on Wallahatchie Road. That Arts Council is so busy, and we're so thankful for them. Now, April, we'll remind you again that April is spring cleanup month in Pike Road. We've always had a wonderful response. This time of year, as you know, the wind is blowing everywhere, and it just seems to stir up every piece of rubbish that someone's ever dropped, or anything that can possibly be found ends up at an intersection or on the side of the road. And this is an opportunity for us to clean up and make sure we're ready for that summer season when we're mowing, and it's just so much better if we take advantage of this. So adopt a piece of the Pike Road right away, or adopt your neighborhood entrance. Get together with your friends in your community, or through your Sunday school class, or wherever, and work with us. We are a part of the People Against Illiterate State, the PALS program, and we love doing this in April for the town of Pike Road. And thank you for what you've always done to make that special. Now, we have another Arts Council activity in April, and that's the 18th and 19th. That's an opportunity for you to find out a little bit more about perspectives. And that is a class that Charles Payne will also be teaching. And I would imagine he'll have lots of different types of art display as you look at different perspectives and how you can share your perspective on scenes or on circumstances in life. Charles Payne, how you capture various perspectives. That's the 18th and 19th. Finally, on April 25th, our Ag and Stewardship Committee, working hard with Extension Service, is offering a pond management and stewardship program. And if you think about that, many of us have ponds in Pike Road. Many of our neighborhoods have ponds in Pike Road. What do we need to do to make sure they're as healthy as possible? And that's an opportunity for you to sign up for that. Go to pikeroad.us, and honestly, you can find out all of this at pikeroad.us, and you can find out all of this on a weekly basis by signing up for our newsletter. So make sure you put those two things on your to-do list. Finally, remember that we are working hard with our prayer team, which is an engaged group of people representing the churches and the organizations throughout Pike Road who want to help our citizens in need. That's basically what the prayer team is. And led by Woodland Methodist Church and their team, we are doing, again, the summer feeding program. And we're so thankful as our groups have come together and started planning for this summer that we have had multiple volunteers. But it's not too late. It is a big undertaking. We serve food on Saturdays to many, many people in our community who are in need. And we don't think about that often. We don't realize that we have those needs right here in our community. So thank you to those good-hearted servants, to those selfless people who are giving of themselves to make that prayer team initiative, the summer feeding program, very successful. Now we'll pause with all those enhanced initiatives and just ask you to think about the blessings we have in Pike Road. Think about the opportunities we have through our schools. Think about all the things that we have to be proud of with our young people. Think about the businesses that are opened here and believe in us and are merchandising goods here in Pike Road. Think about the opportunities we have to enjoy this beautiful nature, to participate in just simple exercises on the trail or organized events throughout our town. It is a blessing to be in Pike Road, our welcome home community. We thank the Lord every day that we have the opportunity to be here. I am honored to serve as your mayor. And remember, Pike Road, we will pray for you, and we ask that you pray for each other.